Ready to see a magical transformation? In this video, we're diving into a stunning ombre and face frame fusion on level 9 bleached hair, turning dark brown into gorgeous locks. But wait, I'll also share a golden tip for tackling those tricky pigment locking issues that can leave you frustrated. Don't miss out on this game-changing advice and beautiful results. Stay tuned. The hair you see in the image has been protein treated, meaning it's been straightened. As you may know, straightening makes it harder for the hair to reach the desired lightening level, so it's best to do a cold treatment or plex therapy beforehand, which we've done for this client. The first step we take is to section the hair. As shown in the video, we divide the hair from ear to ear into two sections. Separate the bangs from the arch of the eyebrow, creating a square at the front, and form a V-shaped triangle at the back of the head. The back is also divided into two sections, just like in the video. For the initial application, I used white bleaching powder that contains Plex, and we're working with a 6% oxidant. To prevent damage, we begin by applying a full slice of bleach back to back. We're going to do an ombre for them, aiming for a level 9 blonde. After applying the bleach to the back-to-back section, we also separate a full slice from the lower part of the head and apply the bleach there as well. The next layer we take is the fine pencil weave layer, where we alternate between pencil-thin weaves and backcombing from the second section of the hair. Then, we follow up with another slice. Again, we start backcombing from the second section of the hair. Since we are creating an ombre, the backcombing should be more intense than usual, ensuring that the roots stay darker while the blonde shades appear on the lower sections. I used a setting spray here to help fix the hair in place. Once everything is done, we let it process for 45 minutes. After that, we check the hair again, and if necessary, we do a second application. Because the hair has been protein treated, a second round of bleach is likely needed. We'll use gray bleaching powder, which also contains Plex, and mix it again with 6% oxidant. For all the sections in the back of the head or wherever there's orange or uneven levels, we first clean off the product completely, then reapply fresh bleach. We continue this process up to the top of the head, checking all the foiled sections. If needed, we reapply the product and allow it to process for another 45 minutes. If you're loving these unique hair tips that you won't find on bigger channels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support my journey as I grow this channel from scratch. I'm sharing insider secrets and tips every week, with 3 new videos packed with educational content and fun challenges. Don't miss out on the next one. Subscribe now and join our amazing community. After the 45-minute processing time, we check the hair, and yes, it has reached the desired level 9 bleach base. The hair has lifted properly, so now it's time to remove all the sweet meshes and start rinsing the hair with just water. At this point, our lovely friend's hair needs some color correction. The areas where the hair color meets the bleach need to be toned, so I used a level 4 ash color along with 6% oxidant. The first step is to blow dry the roots completely with warm air, and then we begin the color correction from the bottom up. Since our friend already had a base color, we don't recolor the entire base. We only cover the orange-toned areas along the borders of the bleached sections, just like in the video. We use precise brushes to apply the color only to the borders, and we use sweet mesh or foil to ensure the color doesn't bleed into the rest of the bleached hair. The processing time for this step is 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take the hair to the wash station and rinse it thoroughly. At this point, it's important to shampoo the hair. Next, we start removing the backcombing by applying conditioner generously to all the backcombed sections. We let it sit for a little while to soften the hair, then use detangling combs, which are specially designed, to gently detangle the backcombed sections layer by layer. Once all the layers and backcombing are fully detangled, we rinse the hair thoroughly, making sure no conditioner residue is left. It's also essential to shampoo the hair again at this stage. This is because after using conditioner, the hair cuticles close and become acidic, which makes it harder for the hair to absorb the toner. Shampooing opens the cuticles again, preparing the hair for the toner application. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also love a stunning hair transformation. Every like, comment, and share helps me grow this channel and continue bringing you more amazing content. Thank you so much for your support. After washing, we noticed that the lower sections of the hair, due to the previous protein treatment, didn't reach the exact desired level because protein treatments tend to lock in pigment, and the hair didn't have the strength for another bleach session. Therefore, we're going to use a glossing bowl for the lower parts of the hair. I used the same mixture that I've shown in the corner of the video, applying it only to the lower sections that had been straightened before. The upper part of the hair has already lifted evenly to the desired level, and the glossing treatment will help to even out the difference between the upper and lower sections. After applying the glossing treatment, we rinse it out with just water and move on to preparing the final toner, which is the desired end color. I've shared the formula in the corner of the video for you. We fully wet the hair and begin applying the toner all over the head, from the roots to the ends, making sure the entire hair is evenly coated with the product. The processing time is around 15 minutes, after which we can rinse the hair completely and apply an acidic conditioner cream. Alternatively, we can use acidic masks instead of the conditioner creams and follow up with another round of conditioner. The reason for using a mask is that our client's hair has been protein treated and is quite damaged. So to improve the hair's condition, we first apply a vitamin-rich mask. Then we use the acidic conditioner cream to fully seal the hair, ensuring our lovely client's hair stays protected and the toner lasts longer. Wow, what a transformation! If you loved seeing this stunning highlight makeover, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible hair transformations every week. Share this video with your friends who need a little hair inspiration and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer your questions. And if you're curious about how to highlight black hair, I've got a special video just for you. Check out the link above to see my detailed tutorial on that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.